Hey everybody, Hoosier Green Thumb here, and today is an emergency project yet again, and yet again it has to do with the chickens. So what's wrong is the bird flu, avian flu, Vogelgrippe is here, and so that means that the chickens have to be put up. So all day so far today they've been locked inside their house, and because I don't like that and I want to give them at least a little area to come out of the chicken coop, and we can throw some food down and let them kind of dig around a little bit. I'm going to build a little chicken run. So I made a little sketch on my paper, which is usually how I do most everything that I kind of build. I have a rough idea and then I just kind of go and work through the technical problems as they come around. So it's going to be a fun little thing. It's already starting to get dark in northern Germany, even though it's the afternoon, so I'm going to have to try to hurry. It's going to be some quick work. It's not going to be a super pretty thing, but it's just about functionality more than just being the most cute chicken run there is. I'm also going to sit there and try to make it a portable one, so it's just basically got some sides and a top. Nothing more than that. A little hole in the back so that it can fit over the door, so the door can automatically open and close at night and they can come out when they want to. Alright, I'm going to also try this one a little bit different, run around with the GoPro and see how, then you can kind of have the perspective of me doing it. Hopefully it'll get done quickly. We'll see how it goes. Let's get started. So as I mentioned, there's bird flu, and in this bush here, there are so many birds. They like the chicken stuff. There are many more than that. In the morning, it's just chirping, 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 chirping. And there's bird flu out there, which means that the chickens have to stay locked in, which is why they're still closed at the moment. Let's get to it. So, time for me to disappear into some music. So, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. That was another one from after, this was actually after the hard drive broke down, but it took me a little bit to get it all caught up. Looking at the videos analytics, it seems that shorter videos are better than my long videos, so I'm going to break this one up into much smaller parts, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please let me know if there's anything else I can change to help make the videos a little better and more enjoyable to watch. But as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you again next time.